Assalamu alaikum. Let's see our another combinational circuit encoder. An encoder is a digital function that produces a reverse operation. Reverse means opposite operation from that of a decoder. We already discussed about the topic decoder. What does this encoder done? This is the reverse operation of decoder. This encoder convert information into a coded binary. It also does the conversion of binary information. As here said that it is the opposite or reverse operation of decoder. So in the decoder we know that here will be n input lines and 2 to the power n output lines, but as in the encoder it is the reverse. So in encoder the input lines will be 2 to the power n and output lines will be n. It's just the reverse of the decoder. The encoder takes 2 to the power n input lines and converts the active input into n bit binary output. Means here will be the 2 to the power n combination line of inputs, and this device will convert the one. Suppose this is the one active input into n bit output binary lines. What does an encoder do? It takes from many inputs one binary coded output. Let's see the block diagram of encoder. Suppose this is a encoder where the input will be 2 to the power n and the output will be n. So draw these input lines. Here the input lines will be 2 to the power n inputs and output lines will be n outputs. This is how an encoder does the circuit operation of any given Boolean function. Here another combinational circuit is Demux. The full form of Demux is demultiplexer. Demultiplexer means it is the reverse of multiplexer. We have already discussed the important topic multiplexer. This is the opposite or reverse operation of multiplexer. Let's see the definition. A demultiplexer is a combinational circuit that takes one input. It takes only one single input and routes it to one of many outputs based on the selector or control inputs. Here is also some selector lines according to the multiplexer, and based on those selector lines the input is given to us. There will be 2 to the power n output lines, but only one output line is selected based on this selector line of inputs. Demux. What does Demux do? Take one input routed to one selected output lines. It does the reverse operation. It takes one input and send it to one selected output, means it demultiplexes the data. Suppose there is a single root of our road, and this road is splitting into multiple roads or lanes, and a control signal decides which lane to use. Suppose this lane is to use. A control signal decides this lane to use. This is how Demux done. There will be one input and many 2 to the power n or many output lines, but based on the selector the only one output lines will be selected. Let's see the block diagram. Here will be, suppose this is a block diagram. Here input is 1 and output is 2 to the power n. It is a Demux, and here n is the line of selector. Here n selector, and input is only 1 and output will be 2 to the power n outputs. But based on these selectors only one output will be shown to us. This is how a Demux do. This is the reverse operation of the multiplexer.